Hello everyone, welcome to the Medical Coding with Dr. Ziyad. In this video series, we will discuss CPT chapter-wise MCQs resembling the real AAPC CPC exam.
AAPC CPC Practice Q&A Radiology Part 1 Diagnostic Radiology Head and Neck. Question number 1. A 42-year-old male presents to the ED with a 3A history of severe headache. The radiologist performs a CT of the head without contrast material to rule out intracranial hemorrhage. The radiologist provides a written interpretation and a signed report. Which CPT code is correct? There are 4 codes available. Take the CPT code book and find the answer. So here you had to highlight the radiologist performed the CT of the head without contrast material and he is interpreted the report. So once you look at the codes, all codes are adjacent codes, so you can use the elimination method for the exam. So I will explain the elimination method with the CPT alphabetic index. So CPT alphabetic index is the ideal method for your working scenario. So let's first do the examination method. So once you go to the codes, 70450 is computer tomography, head or brain without contrast material. So that is the case here. 70460 is with contrast material, but in our case without contrast material. So the correct answer will be answer B, that is 70450. So if you want to find the answer in using CPT alphabetic index, first you have to go for the main index term CT scan, then go for the subterm without contrast, again go for the subterm head. That will lead you to the code 70450. Again come back to the table list and confirm the answer. Here you may have a doubt that the radiologist provides a written interpretation and a signed report. There are professional components also available, so whether to use the modifier 26. But you have to read the description carefully regarding the written report. The written report, example handwritten or electronic, signed by the interpreted individual, should be considered an integral part of a radiologic procedure or interpretation. So the radiology procedure, this interpretation is the performing physician doing the interpretation. It is included in the code. If a different physician do the interpretation, then you have to use the modifier. Question number 2. A patient with chronic sinusitis undergo a complete paranasal sinus X ray series with a minimum of 3 views ordered by the ENT physician. Which CPT code is correct? Pause the video, take the CPT code book and find the answer. So here you had to highlight complete paranasal sinus X ray series with a minimum of 3 views. Again, once you look at the answers, all answers are adjacent codes, so you can use the elimination method for the exam. But for the real working scenario, you have to use the CPT alphabetic index. So when you go to the codes for the elimination method, 70210 is radiologic examination, sinuses, parasinus, less than 3 views. But in our case, minimum 3 views, that is more than 3 views. So 70220 is radiologic examination, sinuses, paranasal, complete minimum of 3 views. So here, complete minimum of 3 views. So the correct answer will be answer B, 70220. Other answers are not possible. So if you want to use the CPT alphabetic index, first go to the main index term X-ray, then go for the subterm sinuses. It will lead you to the code series 702102220. Again, come back to the table list and confirm the answer. Once you confirm the answer, correct answer will be answer B. Question number 3. A neurologist orders a brain MRI for a 67-year-old female with a new onset seizure. The study is performed without contrast first. Then gadolinium is administered and further MRI sequences are obtained with contrast. Which CPT code is correct? So there are 4 answers available. Take your CPT code book and find the answer. So here you have to highlight this is MRI initially without contrast, then with contrast. So once you look at the answers, all answers are adjacent codes. So for the exam purpose, you can use the elimination method to find the answer quickly. So once you go to the codes, 70551 is magnetic resonance imaging brain without contrast material. That includes the first part. When you go to the next code, 552 with contrast material. That is for the second part. We have to check if both procedures are combined. Once you go to the code 70553, it says without contrast material followed by contrast material and further sequences. So this is the combination correct code. So the correct answer will be answer C. That is MRI brain without contrast followed by contrast and further sequences. So if you want to use the CPT alphabetic index method, first go to the main index term magnetic resonance imaging, then go for the subterm diagnostic, then go for the subterm brain. It will lead you to the following code series. Again, come back to the table list and confirm the answer. Once you confirm, the correct answer will be answer C. Question number 4. During a stroke workup, a patient undergoes CTA of the neck only to evaluate the carotid and vertebral arteries. CTA of the head is not performed. Which CPT code is correct? So there are 4 answers available. Pause the video, take your CPT code book and find the answer. So here you have to highlight the procedure is CTA of the neck only, and CTA of the head is not performed. This specifically mentioned here. So once you look at the answers, all answers are adjacent codes, so you can use the elimination method for the exam. So once you go to the code, 70496 is computer tomography angiography, that is the CTA, head with contrast material. But in our case, it is neck, not the head, so that is wrong. 70498, computer tomographic angiography, neck with contrast material, including non-contrast images if performed an image post-processing. So that is the correct case here. Angiography neck, but regarding the contrast, it is not given the contrast detail, but with contrast, including non-contrast image, both are included here. And to look at the other answers, 70471, computer tomographic angiography, head and neck with contrast. So this is head and neck. That is not the case here. 70544, magnetic resonance angiography, head without contrast material. So that's also wrong. So the correct answer will be answer D, 70498, CTA neck with contrast. If you want to find the answer using CPT alphabetic index, first go to the main index term, computer tomographic angiography, that is CTA. Then go for the subterm neck. It will lead to the code 70498. Again, come back to the table list and confirm the answer. Once you confirm, the correct answer will be answer B. Question number 5. A functional MRI of the brain is ordered. The technologist, not a physician or the psychologist, administers the repetitive body movement and visual stimulation test. Which CPT code is correct? So there are 4 answers available. Pause the video, take the CPT code book and find the answer. Here you had highlight this is a functional MRI of the brain, and the technologist done the procedure, not the physician, and also administers the repetitive body movement and visual stimulation test. So once you look at the codes, all codes are adjusted codes, so you can use the elimination method for the exam. So once you go to the code, 70551 is magnetic resonance imaging brain without contrast material. So this code is not saying about the functional MRI, just MRI says. But once you go to the code 70554, magnetic resonance imaging brain functional MRI, including chest selection and administration of repetitive body part movements or visual stimulation, not requiring a physician or psychologist administration. So that is the correct code here. Without the involvement of physician, it's the functional MRI with the administration of repetitive body parts movement. So the correct code will be answer B. So if you want to use the CPT alphabetic index, go to the main index term resonance imaging and go for the subterm diagnostic, then go for the subterm brain. It will lead to the foreign code series. Again, come back to the table list and confirm the answer. Once you confirm, the correct answer will be answer B. Question number 6. A radiologist interprets a pharyngeal or laryngeal fluoroscopic examination with fluoroscopy and magnification technique for a patient with dysphagia. Which CPT code is correct? So there are 4 answers available. Pause the video, take your CPT code book and find the answer. So here you had to highlight this interpretation part includes when the pharyngeal or laryngeal fluoroscopic examination with fluoroscopic and magnification technique for the patient with dysphagia. So let's use the elimination method. Once you go to the code 70360, radiology examination, neck soft tissue. That's not the case here. 70370, pharynx or larynx including fluoroscopy or a magnification technique. So that is the correct code here. Once you check other code, 70371, that is complex dynamic pharyngeal and speech, that is not here, and 74230 is radiologic examination shadowing function, and the modifier 26 is for professional component. So if it is done in the office setup, no need for the professional component because the code is itself include the interpretation part. But if it is done in the inpatient setup, better to use the modifier 26. So if you want to use the CPT alphabetic index method, first go to the main index term fluoroscopy, then go for the subterm examination, then you can go for the subterm larynx or pharynx. It will lead you to the following code 70370. Again, come back to the table list and confirm the answer. Once you confirm, the correct answer will be answer B. So for this practice MCQs, each part I will explain minimum 6 questions, and the 7th question will be given as a bonus, and I'll ask you to answer the bonus question, and the next part I will start from this 7th question, so you can get the answer for this question. So the question number 7 is, a dentist refers a 10-year-old child for a panoramic X Ray, that is orthopantogram, to evaluate tooth eruption patterns. Which CPT code is correct? So there are 4 answers available. Take the CPT code code book and find the answer and leave the answer in the comment section. If you need the answer and explanation for this question, please follow this next part. So in the next part, I will start from this question.
If you have any queries, please leave in the comment section. If you have any doubts or if you want to cover any other topics, you can contact me anytime using my email and the WhatsApp number provided in the description. Please subscribe my channel and check out my other playlist as well. Thank you.